Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have ds and now we have s in here. So in this situation, y just likely the number, the integration of cosine of s over y in here, we will have about y sine of s over y. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 1 over y cosine of s over y. That's why we simplify y in here. And now we put the bounds from 0 to y square. So this one I will put in here. Number 0 we put in here. We know that sine of number 0 we got 0. So we just have only y square. Y square divided by y, we have y. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to dy. dv, that is about sine y dy. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine y. So we have this integration in here. So we have u multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from b over 2 to b minus. We have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive. So I will put b and b over 2 gone here. So this one, we have negative b with negative number 1. b over 2 gone here, you got 0. So we just have only this one. The integration of cosine y, we have sine y. This one, we have positive b. So we have sine b minus sine of b over 2. This one, we have number 0. This one, we have number 1. So we have negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.